G'day, it's Martyn from Sweet Pea. Just want to talk to you a little bit about putting your work back into the hoop should you have taken it out too early, or maybe it's popped out of the hoop, something like that. But sometimes we get to the situation where we really need to put it back into the hoop to complete it. So for instance, I'm doing this piece of alphabet, but I've got a top stitching line that should be inside this, which I haven't done, and I've taken it out and I've trimmed up the block. So what do I do? Well, first of all, I'm going to just hoop up a piece of tearaway stabilizer. I use tearaway so as that I can actually pull it off the back of the work when I'm complete, should I have been successful, which I hope I will be. There's a couple of things about when you're doing blocks for, like for quilts, you actually often have a square around the outside where we put our batting in, which is great. But if you don't have that, then you need to find some registration lines. So we have a registration lines of where this A will be. So let's just have a look to see what happens. So I'm going to first of all put my hoop into the machine. And I've gone back to the beginning of my work, and I'm going to do that. We're just going to stitch out the outside square, which will be the piece of square that holds the fabric down to this particular block. So we have a square which represents this square. But if I didn't have that square in my work, then what else could I do? I could do the registration of my A, which I'm going to do now. I'm just going to skip through just the outside shell. And I'm just going to do, then I can lay my piece of work on top of those outside lines and take it down so that I know it's in the right place. Now, if you have hooped this really, really tightly, it may have shrunken. If you've actually pressed this, you may have a little bit of shrinkage as well. So basically we need to centralise our work, hopefully to get the added piece into position. So let's go to the board, see what we can do. Let's come over to the board here. Now, what I want to do is I want to find my outside line, and I want to actually put those outside lines onto my corners. So that's one there. Sometimes you've got to give it a little bit of a stretch. It's not always easy, but it can save you having to remake a block. It can be something as simple like you've forgotten a flower, or you've forgotten one of the elements, or you've changed your mind with colour. It means you can put it back in. So actually I'm into place now. We'll pop it back in the machine and see if we can do our top stitching. Right, so it's pretty much as good as I'm going to get. Okay, so it's going to work 98% of the time perhaps there, but it's best to have a go and see if you can actually save it rather than start it again.